Union free Kuwait no na bedu. Na house security is checking them one after the other. So they kind of social distancing here, go through all the protocols. Sana Edomako or baby train for 2 weeks or so. This security here is so tight and they are comporting themselves very well. We are waiting for almost 206 Ghanaians, and 40 of them are Togolese, where they will take them to Togo. So 206 Ghanaians have arrived. They are here in their motherland, Ghana. It's a special flight for them. It's an amnesty for them. It's an amnesty. Kuwait government they demand Bakaya Saturday a chair movie program, so they were pleading to the government of Ghana to just reopen the borders for them to come home. Yami achade one abayino ama oma befie the shishede na me Canada dey enye ade a wokan ya na abem se aman ni nyina ka bom no mo hwede o betima ye Kuwait aban ya de Ghana ba so ya de tia mo special flight o maba so mo kan no mo se boso me kro mo bedi ni ahwe o mapomodin asan be kofi o makọ mo abedu. This is a health security point and almost to say. And you can see there's beef and everything is under control. At the Kotoka International Airport, Terminal 3. Omunyina ye amnesty Kuwait aban de ama omo se wa we ni papers wo Kuwait will be at the end of this month wa mefi wanko kroma ntimi apply visa ebe kroma ho bi and omo mutimi apply na edoma ba no nti omo ama no omo na ochine bi omo ko ha enye yi nti estre abusia so so omo ba yenji omo tata ebi no omo ma ebi nyem
supervise or monitor and see who has contracted the coronavirus and who hasn't. So we are there to see how it goes. We understand right after they are done.
And the security advice, we shouldn't zoom their faces.
Where they will be kept and monitored for a period of 2 weeks. So they are.
That's the same. I'm doing my big dream.
We are there.
It's the same. Kotoka. Back when you come, hello, Abedu fie. Ofie any fie. Said the Saturday no can or if you so say. Some woman in Asempa or Mokasai, almost obi man so the antiso about fee. You say, Yaria Bay, baby or Modanye or Moda. A daba kunipa bay 15 no more them. To almost stress a buying a bemo, my befee. Or baby about the cinema or more. Tis in a mere boa, let's say, I'm almost special privilege we are. I know free her normal coffee, a domo call. A year, on Benjamin home for 2 weeks. Near share on my pomodini, you say, will be our own year positive no. Nah, I feel up a fee. Now, more positive in the store. You better have more Thomas and Makufia or Mako. Till Terminal 3, Harabaho, Kotoka International Airport. Nahana may say,
So there are over 200 of them, we've been told. We are yet to know the number of
GIZ for
and
a
the
year
number of
Ghanaian
women
German Center
in
and
this
Minister of
case.
Employment and Labor Relations.
And so
Ebehwe na say fi heko no omo a omukuta nsa no
we
adwuma ne
also have
obetima
some
boa wo no so nya adwuma bi aye wo krom ha
officials from
na
the
bia ne ha
Ministry
pone
of
adwuma ne bi wa ha
Information
so that
briefing
Saturday
us
no mo kan no
that this is
ebinom anyanyam
a national security
ebinom
operation,
anyanyam
and that's why we have seen the heavy presence of the military together with the police
bibia
and
ayeboko
immigration officers, ensuring that this exercise
said Abrokyire Nkomo so de bia mote no no Kuwait for no so some bebe fie eye Ghana for no mo ho ene na aban ye Ghana government abie kwan am say special flight om mesenko no person na ye nuanom ma om so amano ne no omo Ghana ha no ebi so ko ye international relation. Wow, person about Colombia, Minister of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration say, a year embassy be a bell and a consulate be a bell, no register with the a mercy mono near the baby fear, the other fee. Fear and fear. Fear and fear. Mote, and Kebe part 2 of it. So now airport where I be dinting and Abrokyire Nkomo so. Yeah, share. Am I who you know me? I'm a poor day and the baby on best year. If I see what I'm swati.
We will be monitoring to see how they are kept, where they will be isolated.
It's well arranged here. A seat have been given to them. Social distancing to Obia Betranakunya so. I'm paying for a brief from a free haircut. They say, Yama Obo. Maybe I'm better.
The entire world is facing a serious
for the
challenge
next 2 weeks.
So we will
Na ya show my puma day.
how they are going to mitigate that.
Obia
Stated by the government of Ghana that they will
Ibe who
be
say,
kept
oh
in an
yeah,
isolation center, and
positive no the obeka, negative on the after 2 weeks now.
after they have gone through the quarantine stages, we will check to see who has the disease.
We pray
doesn't have the disease.
that
And then afterwards,
those
they will follow up again.
the pregnant women are those I'm praying also for,
Then they can let them go
so that they can also be safely delivered. They are happy to be here. They are not. Omoniaji some abedu fie. Omoniaji some abedu fie. Anije de omo pa said the omoniaba Margaret Kasai no say ufie any fie to omo na etwam yi.
I can imagine how it would look like having to have your family member around to welcome you from a distance, not even a hug or a handshake. That must be pretty devastating, but it looks like that's the current situation and nothing can be done about it. We are all trying to stay safe by wearing our masks and practicing
They are well
social
protected with their
distancing,
mask.
and also making sure that we wash our hands regularly and sanitize. So yes, I can see all these health protocols are in place where they are asked to sanitize their hands and practice social distancing. So you can see from the footages that we are bringing to you. It's been quite busy at the airport, Terminal 3 today. We have all the media houses present.
So the minimum to America now. The Indian more Kuwait last Saturday or the Abrokyire Nkomo almost say aban no more no refie no ene no ba bedu Indian money Indian mema no na Margaret Ekasa Jemima Ekasa on behalf of them our Abrokyire Nkomo so no and I said the nua bema Mohammed Sokasa on behalf of leaderships now or Kuwait no omabedu fie asomdwe
we would like to know after what happens after
from here Kotoka International Airport Terminal 3 arrival hall and the
afterwards.
P4 at to normal kama health ministry or majuma interior yene juma
Providing them
foreign affairs yene juma aviation force yo majuma customs immigration obia yene juma so them can say interior no interior and comprise of mom yeah yenya mai omaba omabedu emema no omina ka ho omabedu obinyina bedu kama
whilst we wait to speak to the authorities, we do hope that government has some modifications in place or some package in place to help them survive. It's been pretty tough on people, very, very devastating. As lots of people have lost their jobs. Lots of people have been laid off and salaries have been slashed into half, some not having salaries at all. So you can imagine if you find yourself in a situation like this one, how you are going to survive. There's been proper coordination and organization from the part of government, the information ministry.
So the American is a nina Kwaku Amankwatia said the Moteo Abrokyire Nkomo so no ene da omabedu eye nuan mo Kuwait omo ababedu omabeka busua ho nemom omo nkofie ne pay for atoto bibia kama health ministry interior ministry foreign affairs ministry and the information ministry omo nyina akabo mu ha in the presence of crisis so
And of course,
Minister of Defense so can who be and no more has say
it is
I share ama bibia kwa wano union mabidu kama this is on because screening in say screening course so e wo eye Kuwait asana ye bo maba nenso so yes so ye ha no ye nim de wo ekwan mo mo de e full play no so abuna mu wie maba ti mpanyinfo so be ye almost so checks e wa ha e be screening o mo ha asana ye de mo akọ eye I said Kuwait almost for plane you catch me and say Ghana for do a ban year 206 and Togo force so a 40 and no more flight in the so no more about I mean do na Togo for the or me come from Togo and Ghana they no akaha or more catch in a ban
what went on into